Welcome to this SAP Intelligent RPA tutorial about business activity monitoring. In this video, I'll show you what the business activity monitoring, or BAM, is and what you can do with it. Let's start with an empty project. I'll create an automation, let's call it a step, to simulate the running of a bot. I do not know how long the execution will take, so I will generate a random duration between 1 and 10 seconds and make the bot wait for that time. In another automation, the main one, I will insert multiple steps. And for the purpose of this video, let's say that step 3 must be executed multiple times, between 1 and 5 times, but we do not know how many exactly during the design phase. Now, as a supervisor, I want to know the average duration for the execution of this process. I also want to know the average duration for each steps. Thanks to that information, I might be able to determine what can be improved in my process. To collect these informations, I'll use a monitoring activity start timer, and each timer must have an ID, as we can use several ones in the same automation. To know how many times the step 3 will be executed, I will use a counter, and I will send this information to the Cloud Factory at the end of the automation using the notify activity. After a few executions of this project to get some data, I downloaded a CSV file and opened it in Excel. Here is what I have: a table with multiple columns, and among the most important ones, the job name, the timestamp, the name of the tool, the timer or the counter, and the values. And now I can play with this data to create some useful chart and pivot table, for example, in order to exploit this data. For instance, the average duration of each steps and the automation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to take a look at the store, where you will find more examples of SAP Intelligent RPA bots.